back for another haircut. As you can see, what I've already done is I've sectioned off the top. You can see the top is being held up with some clips. We're going to have some disconnection between the right side, which is what I'm cutting right now, and the top. Once I've completed cutting the right side, then I'm going to take the top and let it hang over the right side. But for now, what I want to do is I want to take the right side nice and tight. I'm basically doing the same type of technique that one would do if they were going to do a fade. You're just simply taking, in this particular case, I'm simply just taking the shortest guard I have possible for that clipper, working my way up, blending it up to the temple area. Once I've completed blending it, once I've completed the shape that I'm going for, then I will take those clips out and let the top hang over. So I'm now working the right side of the back. You can see I'm down by the neck area. I'm behind the ear, and basically again what I'm going to go for is a disconnected haircut here. But keep in mind my model has a lot of hair, which means she has a lot of volume. So by disconnecting the top from the sides, we are able to remove a lot of the bulk, a lot of the volume that would happen if we did not do this. So if we left the sides longer, when she brought down the top, it would be very full on the sides, and we want a more sleeker look on the sides. So, as you can see now, I've removed the guard. I'm simply just taking the clippers and cleaning up the hairline even better, making it even tighter. And I'm going to do that throughout the right side as well as the back. And then we'll continue on with the rest of the haircut. Alright, so as you can see, I've now got the guard back on the clippers, and I'm going to work my way around to the left side of the head. Basically, I'm going to do the exact same thing on the left side as I did on the right side. Now, as you can see, I'm taking my comb, kind of pushing the hair up. What we're going for is an undercut disconnection here. So I'm just taking that hair. It is already on the shorter side, so I just want to kind of get it out of the way to make sure we don't cut it even more, because that's the hair that's going to kind of hang over the undercut part. So, working my way up the left side of the head, going to basically do the exact same thing I did on the right side. Alright, so now as you can see, I've got the trimmers in my hand. I'm basically going to go through and just really sharpen up, cleaning up the outline. So I just did the front hairline. Now I'm doing around the ear. I'm going to basically work around to the back of the neck area and just all around the head, just really sharpening up and really cleaning up the hairline. Alright, so we've come to the end of another haircut. As you can see, the disconnection throughout the haircut. We've got the little overhang in the back. We've got the overhang on the right side. And we've got some texture and some overhang on the left side as well. You can see me showing it right there. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. And thank you so much again for watching. And please, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.